If Google Drive is showing error 503, don't worry too much yet, because in most cases, this is just a temporary issue and can usually be fixed in a few simple steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to troubleshoot Google Drive error 503, from the quickest fix to the more helpful browser cleanup steps, so you can get back to your files as fast as possible. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump in. First, the simplest fix is to wait and try again. Close Google Drive completely, then give it a few minutes before opening it again. Error 503 often means the service is temporarily overloaded or unavailable, so sometimes the issue is not on your device at all. After waiting, reopen Drive and check if it loads normally. If the problem is still there, refresh the page. On a Windows computer, press Ctrl and R at the same time to reload Google Drive. This can clear a temporary loading issue and force the page to request fresh data from the server. If you're on another device, use the browser refresh button and try again. Next, clear your browser cache. If you're using Google Chrome, open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. From there, click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you clear cookies and cached images and files. Old browser data can sometimes interfere with Google Drive and cause error messages like 503. Once the cleanup is done, restart your browser and open Drive again. Another very effective step is to try Incognito mode. Press Ctrl, Shift, and N together in Chrome to open a private browsing window. Then sign in to Google Drive again and see if the error disappears. Incognito mode helps you test whether browser extensions, stored sessions, or cached data are causing the problem. If Drive works in Incognito, the issue is probably related to your normal browser profile. If you still see the error, temporarily disable any VPN, AD blocker, or security extension you have installed. These tools can sometimes interfere with Google Drive requests and block certain connections. Turn them off one by one, then reload Drive and check whether the problem is fixed. This is especially useful if the error started after installing a new extension or changing your browser settings. You should also reduce heavy activity on your account. Avoid huge downloads, massive uploads, or too many tabs constantly refreshing Google Drive. Too much activity at once can overload your connection or trigger temporary access issues. If you're syncing a lot of files, wait for things to settle down and then try again. The last step is to sign out and sign back into your Google account. This refreshes your session and can clear authentication issues that may be contributing to the error. After signing back in, return to Google Drive and check if everything loads properly. So to recap, the fastest fixes for Google Drive error 503 are to wait and try again, refresh the page, clear your cache, test incognito mode, disable VPNs or extensions, reduce heavy activity, and sign out and back in. In many cases, one of these steps is enough to get Drive working again. If this video helped you solve the problem, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.